Hello everyone, welcome back to our AGC Academy. So today our chapter name is whole numbers. We are going to discuss the whole numbers in very clear manner. So before starting the whole numbers, I will give you a small introduction. So first, what is natural number? So before coming to the whole numbers, first we have to know what are natural numbers. So till from first class to fifth class we learn natural numbers. So what are natural numbers? So natural numbers are represented with n. So natural numbers are those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So what are natural numbers? All counting numbers are called natural numbers. All counting numbers are called natural numbers. Is it okay, everyone? Right. So now, 1 to 5th class you learn the natural numbers only, right? So now in the 6th class, the whole number concept, this is new for you. So what is an whole number? So adding 0 to the natural numbers. Adding 0 to the natural numbers. Adding 0 to natural numbers, we get whole numbers. Adding 0 to natural numbers, we get whole numbers. So whole numbers are represented with W. Whole numbers are represented with capital W. So now whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So see here, natural number starts with 1, but whole number starts with 0. We are adding 0 to the natural numbers, then we get the whole numbers, right? Now one more point, see here. So all natural numbers are whole numbers. Yes, all natural numbers belongs to whole numbers. This is belongs to symbol. So all natural numbers belongs to whole numbers, but all whole numbers does not belongs to natural numbers. So what I am trying to say here, every natural number is a whole number, but every whole number may not be the natural number. Every whole number may not be the natural number. Okay. So next concept is about predecessor. And what is predecessor and what is successor? If given number is x, let us consider given number is x. So your predecessor means, what is the x here number? Before number of x is called as predecessor. That is nothing but x minus 1. What is the predecessor? X minus 1 is your predecessor. So where x is one number. Next, what about successor? Successor is nothing but, if your number is x, then x plus 1, your next number of the given number is called as successor. So I will explain with one example. See, here natural number 13 is given. So what is the 13 predecessor? What do you mean by predecessor? Predecessor means before number. So before 13 what will come? That is nothing but 12. Or else you can consider as 13 minus 1 how much? 12. Okay. Now what is the successor? Successor is nothing but the next number. So 13 plus 1 what? 14. Otherwise 13 next number is 14. So 14 is the successor. 12 is the predecessor here. Next, 237. What is the successor for this? So minus 1. So 236. So next, 237. What is the successor? Next number, 238. Next one. So 999. Predecessor means before number. That is 998. Okay. Next one. So 999 successor, that is 1000. Next one. 26. Predecessor means before number, that is 25. 26. Successor means next number, 27. Next, 9. What is the predecessor for 9? 8. Successor for 9? 10. What about 1? What is the predecessor of 1? For natural numbers, they are natural numbers, right? For natural numbers, there is no predecessor. For natural numbers, no predecessor for 1. No predecessor for 1. So, next, what is the successor for natural number 1? 2. Okay. So, for 1, only 1, there is no predecessor for the natural number. Okay. For the natural number 1, there is no predecessor actually. Okay. So, the successor will be the 2. Okay. So, now, predecessor and successor concept for the whole numbers. So, here I took the 3 whole numbers 13, 1, 0. So 13 is a whole number, then predecessor will be the 12 and successor will be 14 is as it is natural numbers. But what about 1? So for natural numbers there is no predecessor for 1. But what about whole numbers? There is a predecessor for 1 in the whole numbers, that is 0 is the predecessor for 1. 0 is the predecessor for 1. Next, what is the successor for 1? 2. Okay, it's okay, right? Now, next one, what is the predecessor for 0? Is there any predecessor for 0? No predecessor for 0 in the whole numbers. No predecessor for 0 in the whole numbers. For your Navodaya and other competitive exams, this is most important point. Okay. And what about successor for the 0? 1. So, this is for whole numbers. This is for whole numbers. So thanks for watching. If you like my explanation, please don't forget to subscribe.